Hey guys, so let's jump right in. First, I'm going to use my LA Pro concealer, and I am going to use that to clean up my brows as well as set my base for my eyeshadows. I love using concealer as a base because it makes your eyeshadows pop a lot more, and it kind of camouflages, not really camouflages, but it kind of gets rid of that discoloration on your lid area, especially for me. So it just gives me a nice blank canvas for my eyeshadow. I could have said that to start with, but whatever. Just blending that out, guys, and making sure it's nice and smooth. Then we're going in with my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to use this orange shade right here with I believe this is a Morphe a large blending brush, and I'm just going to pack that color right below my brow bone, a little bit above my crease, and this is going to be my transition color. Since I did not set my concealer with a powder, I'm going to pat the color in first and then go back and forth. Now I'm just going ahead and doing the other eye. Getting that transition color down is half the battle. Now I'm going in with this shade from the 350 palette using a smaller blending brush, and I'm going a little bit farther down on my eyelid. This is more towards my crease area, and just building up that color. Generally, I say go from a light to dark, starting at your brow bone, of course, and then get darker towards your lid and cut your crease and all that good stuff. You'll see that in a second. And I'm just blending out those colors, kind of making sure that there are no harsh lines and everything. Now I'm going in with a pointed blending brush, and I'm taking this brown shade from the palette, going a little bit further down into my crease and just blending those colors together. I'm mainly putting that brown color down first and then just going back and forth and blending everything out. Eyeshadow takes a lot of blending, like a lot of blending. So just blend. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Emerald eyeshadow palette. These are really cute, and they're very pigmented. So I'm just going in with that, and I'm just kind of swatching them so you guys can see how pigmented they are, because they are new palettes and people have been asking me about them. I like them. So I'm going in with that smaller blending brush again, taking that green eyeshadow color. Honestly, the green shadow kind of disappeared when I did my cut crease, but it popped out a little bit, but it didn't look so green to me. But I don't know, I think I have to play with the palette a little bit more. Now I'm taking my LA Pro concealer and putting that on the lid, and we're just about to start cutting the crease. So I just take the applicator and kind of look up so that my eyelid touches my crease to where it looks right. I don't know how to explain it, but that's how I really cut my crease, is just look up and then my concealer touches the spot where I need to cut my crease. And then I use my MAC synthetic brush and just kind of carve out a little half circle on my eyelid. Cutting your crease is something that you really have to practice, and I'm not perfect at it, but it just takes a lot of time to master. You feel me? And I'm just going in and feathering out the outer portions of that half circle so that it doesn't look super harsh. Then I'm going in with this light green color from the Huda Beauty palette and just patting that in the inner portion of my cut crease, and just kind of patting that color in there, just making sure nothing is lumpy and uneven looking. You know, I think I filled in the whole lid with this color, actually. Yeah, I did. It's a really nice, like, light lime green color. It's actually really pretty. I'm just patting that in. Now I'm going in with this is like a metallic cranberry shade, and I'm packing that in the outer portion of my eye and just kind of patting that in. I'm just adding a lot more dimension to the eye when I'm doing this, and I wanted this eye to be very fall appropriate and very colorful, so I'm just adding a little bit of color. So next I'm going to go in with my glitter. I'm going to use the Lit Cosmetics glitter. I'm not sure what shade. I will have everything listed in the description box for you guys. And I'm just going to place that glitter in the inner corners of my eyes and just packing that on to the inner corners. And this was really, really pretty. I don't think I've done glitter in the inner corners before, but I really like this. Then I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery gel liner, and I'm just going in and creating my wing line. I had the hardest time doing my wing liner today. I don't know why, but I do have a wing liner tutorial. I will put that above my head so you guys can check that out. But I just had a hard time with it today. I'm putting in my contacts. I wear Desio contacts. You guys know this. I will put it in the description box. I'm going in with my lashes. I am wearing Bold Face Makeup lashes, and I just apply it with my eyelash tool that I get from Ulta. Now I'm going in, since my makeup, honestly, I've had my face makeup on all day, so I'm just going to set my under eye area with some banana powder, just so that my face looks more refreshed and everything, because I did have my face makeup on all day. I'm going in with the Rimmel eyeliner, my favorite, and I'm just going in and lining my waterline. I love doing this. It just makes my eyes pop a lot more. I'm going in with the Morphe 350 palette again, and I'm taking a pencil brush and running that color. You have to make that face. Running that color underneath my waterline, so right on my lash line, and blending it out, just kind of smoking out the eye a little bit, brushing away that powder that I put down just to make my face look a little bit more fresh. Then I'm going in with the Too Faced highlighter from their Tutti Frutti collection, I believe. Can't remember the color, but I'm using a fan brush and I'm applying that. This highlighter is very subtle, but it's very pretty in person. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier powder. Honestly, recently this has been my favorite part of doing my makeup, is using this Eco Styler sponge and dipping it into that powder and just snatching my face. Like, as you can see, Leilani was like bumping me, but girl, like when I do this, my face just feels so snatched. Like, I don't know what it is, and using this powder, it just looks so flawless and pretty. It's just the best. So I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just, you know, doing my bottom lashes because I like it. Now I'm going in with my NYX Transylvania lipstick, and I'm just putting that all over my lips, and I'm just filling them in. This lipstick I used to wear a lot back in the day because I love deep dark colored lips, so it's an oldie but goodie. Then I'm sweeping away that translucent powder, and I think I did spray my face with some spray. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you. Comment down below what fall look you want me to do next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Comes at the best price. Got a couple people, they don't wanna see me up.